Hi guys, so today we will be seeing the all new GLS Maybach 600. The car has just been launched. I'll be first giving you guys a walk around of the car. The car looks absolutely beautiful and stunning. You guys can see the entire vehicle. So what this has is this is built with a 4-liter twin turbo V8 engine that is putting out somewhere around 557 bhp and 730 Nm of torque. The car is really powerful. It's got the easy entry exit, so you can just lock the car with the touch of a button and unlock the car this way. The best part about the car, definitely it gets the soft close, and the best part is you can see the footrest down. So as soon as I open the door, yeah, you have the footrest opening. So this is one of the best parts. The boot space is not very big, but that's not what you require in a Maybach. It's got a lot of stuff lying because the car has just come in today, so a lot of stuff is just lying randomly. We've got the easy pack tailgate. Definitely this kind of a car, that's a basic thing that is required. I'm showing you guys the interior of the car as well, so just open the door and let you guys have a look. Beautiful interior. It's 4-zone climate control. You got the MBUX. Even the rear screens have MBUX, so I'll show that to you guys as well. I will start the car first. So now the car is on. Sit in the back of the car. Yes, so now we're in the back of the car. Now the best part about this car is that it's the first car in with Mercedes to have the MBUX in the rear screen entertainment as well. So that's just amazing. Basically the center screen in the front, you have everything at the back as well. So everything that's in the front, we had it in the GLS, normal GLS at the back, which can be controlled, but now we have it here as well. So this becomes much more easier to use. It's beautiful to use. You've got your massaging seats as well. So yeah, you got 7 massaging functions. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's got high intensity, low intensity. You've got everything possible. And you can also go to seat comfort, adjust your seats, lumbar supports, climate control, everything. Definitely it's got the reclining seats, so I'll show that to you as well. It's got standard heating and cooling seats at the back and at the front. You've got front massaging seats as well. I'll show that to you. You got the ambient lighting and the sun blinds. Now the best part about this car is you can mirror your screen and watch your Netflix, Prime Video, whatever you want. You don't need an HDMI cable and stuff like how you earlier needed. It's very simple. It's got USB Type-C ports, so you can just use the ports and you can mirror whatever kind of a screen you require. Now you can open all the blinds. So the car's got blinds on the sides, top, definitely. It's got blinds at the back. So all the blinds, one touch button, just click open all. You can see all the blinds are opening. Similarly, you just click close all, and now all the blinds will shut by themselves. Now another really beautiful thing is they've even put an ambient light accent on the top where the sunroof is there. So it really makes the interior cabin look very beautiful. So it's just amazing. You got a heated and cooled cup holder right here, so that's cooling, that's heating. Again, a very useful feature in the car. I will show you how the seat looks here as well. So you got the recline angle. You just keep this pressed. This is a lounge package, so you can just keep this pressed and then the seat will go completely in the front. And you've got this opening up the thigh support. under thigh support that comes out. So yeah, now the seat is completely reclined along with your support. I mean, you're really comfortable in this seat. Definitely you can make it a 5-seater as well. Just push this up and you'll have a 5-seater. Definitely not the most comfortable 5-seater, because normally in a Maybach you'll have maximum 4 people traveling, nothing more than that. So yeah, another really nice feature. And trust me, the massage is unbelievable. And definitely you've got the 23 speaker Burmester surround sound system, which is 3D surround sound, runs beautifully. Okay, I'll go to the front and show you some features as well. So now we are in the front of the car. This is how the screen looks. So as I was saying, there are front massaging seats as well. I'll show that to you guys. Yeah, so you've got similar 7 options for the front seats for massaging, similar seat comfort controls, and ambient lighting definitely can be controlled from anywhere. It's got the standard 64 color ambient lights, so it can be turned however we want. Looks really beautiful. You've got heated cooled cup holders in the front as well, so you can see. So that's how it works. Really amazing. I mean, one of the best cars to buy. Is the first time Mercedes has come up with the Maybach in the GLS, so I'm sure you guys will like it. The car has also got a feature which is known as which is the entry exit, wherein the car lowers on entry or exit. So I can show that to you also as a separate video, because it will be too much to prolong this video. But yeah, the car looks beautiful. If you want, I'll show you guys under the hood as well. So we'll move to the hood and show you guys down. So you've got the double M here as well. Definitely the front looks beautiful. This is how the car looks. It's got multi-beam LEDs. Hope you guys like the video. So this car is running on 22-inch alloy wheels. You also have an option for 23-inch alloy wheels, so you can select whichever ones you require. I hope you guys like the tour of the car. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks a ton. We'll see you guys soon in another video.